Welcome to week 9 of Theory and Practice. We're almost done in this 10-week course. Next week will be your last week. So in this week, what we're looking at is scientific policy and ethics. So you'll read the book by Rebecca Skloot on Henrietta Lacks, and we'll look at some other videos that have to do with bioethics and scientific policy. So let's go over to the course and take a look at what you're doing this week. Here we are in Module 9 on Scientific Policy and Ethics. Your reading this week was the Henrietta Lacks book written by Rebecca Skloot, and your synopsis will come largely from that book. And then also you have a video down here with a conversation with the author of that book, Rebecca Skloot. The synopsis here will be based on the book itself and this interview with Rebecca Skloot. Make sure you focus on the concepts of bioethics, tissue ownership, patients' rights, what were the contributions of HeLa cells, and make sure that you cite both the book and this interview in your synopsis. This first video you see here, this biography on Henrietta Lacks, is optional. In your discussion for 9, you'll watch 4 videos. So you see a video here on patenting human genes. You see another one here called Merchants of Doubt, where they talk about the denial of the tobacco industry and climate change denial. We also see one about the FDA and drug safety, and then another one about clinical trials. And so in this discussion, what you're going to do is to take each video and bring up several ideas from each that you thought were particularly compelling. After you discuss these videos, you're going to find an example where bioethics and policy affect an area that you're interested in. So whatever area you plan to go into as a career, or maybe it's just something you're interested in as a hobby, find a video or an article of how bioethics or policy affect that area, post it, and then reply to 2 other students' postings. Then in your reflection for 9, continuing on with ethics and policy, we have several more TED Talks. We have one here from Kirsty Duncan, and then we have another one here from Paul Knopfler about designer babies, and then another one about nicotine addiction. So from these, you'll watch these 3 videos, and then you'll write your reflection based on the instructions here that you'll then post as. So I hope you'll enjoy these videos that we have for this week, and I hope you enjoy finding videos or articles related to an area you're interested in that intersect with bioethics or science policy.